Malala Pipe International automatic, but the funny part, it's actually an N14 face. It has an Cisx engine, Cummins. Malala Pipe, that's the name of this unit. Came from a big company, Nuvoni Logistics, under Imperial Group. As you can see, the tires still 100%. The tanks, the exterior is clean, paint job nicely done. We didn't paint it, we got nothing to hide. Apex are still in excellent condition. Fifth wheel check, no oil leaks or whatsoever on the diff. The gearbox is still intact. Just a dry truck, not oil leaks or whatsoever. Interior still fresh. It is really Malala Pipe. It's just a beautiful truck for investors who want to start and get in this business to make money, to make returns, to make profits. It's a truck to buy for those guys who always dream to be in this logistics business, to get in and make something for their family, for their wives, children, for a wise investment. I'll urge you, investor, to buy this truck. You work with Mahlangu, the best to ever do it. All I want from you today, after listening to this video, is to awaken the beast. And after you awaken the beast inside you, all I need from you again is to get your money right, get your facts right, and work with the best to ever do it. Mahlangu, the best in the business. Work with me today. I'll give you the best deal and the best deal only. As I do this video today, I'm actually emotional because I'm getting a lot of support from you guys out there. If you listen to this video today, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel for more investment opportunities in Africa with Mahlangu, the best to ever do it, the best in the business, the guy who says changing how business is done in Africa is his life, and making millionaires every day is his day job. Mahlangu, FWM, the best to ever do it.